Legazpi City.
Thank you, Madam Maika. To present the graduates of the College of Health Education, the Principal, Madam Tita Pono.
Diploma in Midwifery, second semester, 2023-2024. Brazil, Danife Aliana Zamora. Maruroy, talaga. Hermina Micaela Nicole Pangkulon. Aruroy, Masbate. Tolosa Josein Villanueva, Lonsol, Sorsogon.
Thank you, Madam Pono. To present the graduates of the College of Criminal Justice Education,